I have a dyno. I have a 5th gen. I have big wheels and I have stock wheels. So the purpose of this video is to see how much power you lose going from a stock sized wheel to an oversized wheel. These are 24 by 14 with 33-inch rubber on them. And the rubber is 13.5 inches wide. Stock wheels are 18 inches and they also measure to about 33 inches in diameter. So we're gonna dyno the truck the way it is right now. And this truck is deleted with a 75 horsepower tune. If you guys are looking for delete kits for your truck, I will put a link down in the description where you can pick one up if it's legal where you live. But then we're gonna remove these rear tires. We're gonna put the stock ones on. We'll also weigh the 2 individual tires just to see the difference in weight. Because honestly, I think weight is gonna be the biggest factor in horsepower loss. Okay, let's do it. I'm excited. I haven't dynoed this truck yet. Let's go. We don't want the straps too tight yet because you gotta roll it and then it's gonna settle on the rollers and then you strap it down real tight. Okay, I'm just gonna roll it a bit. The back end might shift over just to where it wants to settle on those rollers. I also don't even know if it's gonna let me do it because it's gonna think that the rear wheels are slipping. So I might have to unplug an ABS sensor. Well, it didn't give me any warning saying that that my traction control was coming on, so maybe it will work. Anyways, let's tighten them down and try her out. All right, I'm gonna set it to 15% load. And we will start at 2,000 RPMs. And we'll see, I've never dynoed this truck before, so I think I'm gonna try to do it in 4th gear because that's a 1-to-1 ratio. But yeah, I'm gonna do hopefully 3 runs and they'll give me good readings, and then we'll do 3 runs with the other tires. If the first time I dyno it, the readings aren't very good, I might have to tweak with what gear I dyno it in, as well as how much load to put on the dyno. But once I get that dialed in, then we'll do 3 pulls and we'll just do it exactly the same for the stock wheels, just so that there's no other variables. And before we actually do a legit pull, I'm just going to try to drive it on the dyno and make sure it doesn't like put me into, you know, like anti-lock brake mode and shit. Seems to be happy. It's not giving me any issues. Oh, that came up though. As long as it doesn't derate me. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's derating me, so I think we're okay. All right, let's see how this goes. I did a couple runs and I found that it's actually best to go in 6th gear with the torque converter locked up, and that's giving me kind of like the best readings. So we're gonna do 3 runs now. We're gonna do a view from the cab, from outside the truck, and then from the smokestack. My dash is a Christmas tree from doing this. The truck is not happy. Okay, we're gonna get up to 6th and do our first run. All right, let her cool down for a bit. Shut it off. Let's look at the results. All right, well, here it is. It looks like the 3rd run was actually the best at 369 horsepower and 669 foot-pounds of torque. So yeah, if you can see, like 361, 366, 369. So that is all that this thing is making with these big wheels on. So I don't know if that's actually super accurate. I'm still learning this dyno. This is like the 3rd truck that I've ran on it, and it's all just been like, you know, fake it till you make it type thing. But as long as we do the same exact test for the stock wheels, we'll at least get to see the power difference. So maybe this truck only makes 370 horsepower to the wheels. I honestly wouldn't be surprised. It's just deleted with a 75 horse tune, and those wheels are pretty big. But yeah, let's switch to the stocks and let's see what happens. I'm missing my wheel lock. One of my wheels, I curbed it a little bit. So my buddy Borna, he does polishing. So he forgot to put the wheel lock back in my truck. So he should be here any second now with it. You got the goods?
I got the goods.
What are you doing? You've been polishing, hey?
Yeah.
Look at this dude. got the wheel lock though, so we're good now. All right, we're gonna see how much this tire weighs without breaking the scale. All right. 126 pounds. Roll that one on there. See what a stock one is. 82. So we got like over like a 40-pound difference with these two tires. All right, truck is strapped down with the stock wheels. We still got our old graphs here, so we should just be able to add 3 more runs underneath, and we'll see what it does. So these videos are totally free to watch, and you don't have to feel obligated at all, but I am selling some merch here. I got some hats, some shirts, hoodies, that kind of stuff. So if you go to darkirondiesel.com, you want to support the channel, that's an awesome way you can do it, and you can get some super cool merch too. All right, let's see what we get with the stock tires. Okay, you guys ready to see the numbers? Because I think they're gonna surprise you. They actually surprised me. Okay, this honestly blew my mind. These are the 3 runs we just did. So we got 396, 394, and 393, which is up from 369. So that's huge. Our best one was 396. So that's like 26 horsepower increase, almost 30 horsepower, which is crazy. And then if we look at the torque numbers, before we were getting like here, let me scroll up here. So our best one was 669 with the American Force wheels. And then on our last run, actually the second last run there, we had 703 foot-pounds of torque. So that is crazy. So in the future, I plan on also doing a video where we'll just do bigger tires as well. Like I'll do like a 37-inch tire compared to stock, and we'll see the difference there. But I'm actually pretty amazed. That's a pretty significant horsepower decrease you get when you just want to look cool. I mean, it's just a price you got to pay to look cool, I guess. I want to make lots of dyno videos though, so if you guys have something you want me to dyno, or if you want me to do like a test on the dyno with comparing different horsepower numbers, let me know. I'm going to just keep making dyno content, so subscribe if you want to see more. Check me out on Instagram at darkirondiesel. Again, check out the merch, darkirondiesel.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on another video soon.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off.